Hi, good morning. We are the three group members, Abdul Rahman, Akash, and Kinsey will be presenting this whole presentation. This is a presentation for organization and strategy course. We have choose two international companies, one Google and other is IBM. If we take the comparison among these two big companies contrasting organizational cultures, so we get to know that the comparative look at Google and IBM, we will analyze their approaches to work and employees. The goal is to understand how culture shapes these tech giants. So we will get to know about this companies that how the culture behaviors are different among these big giants companies. So let's say if we talk about the setting stage why culture matter. So it is important to have a culture in the company to work in. So why the culture matter is culture shape employees engagement and company success. Understanding it offer insights into performance. This presentation compares Google and IBM. So we will comparing the three main points. First the innovation, then engagement, and thirdly the performance. Innovation as culture foster innovation. Engagement drives the culture and performance culture impact performance. We will see how these will be uh, impacting these companies. So as these two companies have the different type of cultures in their workplace, so one is called formal culture and other is called informality. So if we focus on the Google foster a relaxed and playful environment of open offices promotes collaboration and creativity. That shows the informality in the Google's culture. But if we take the IBM emphasize a more structure and forming setting. This can be seen in corporate executive meeting areas, and there's the regular breaks will be provided. But if we see the Google has more relaxed versions and having a more comfortable environment to work in. So if we talk about the formality and informality, Google playful versus IBM structured approach. So if we take about the Google foster informality, employees enjoy relaxed dress codes, collaboration is often spontaneous and casual. It means that the Google is giving the more relaxant to their employees. There's no such dress code for the casual meetings and all that stuff. But if we take about the IBM values structure formality. The company has a dress code, manages the proper flow, meeting flows or clear agenda. So this is difference between formality and informality that Google and IBM plays off.
Hello. I'm going to talk about a staff organization, agile teams at Google versus hierarchical structures at IBM. So, Google operates with agile teams, which means that they focus on flexibility and quick adaptation. They work in cycles of rapid improvement to stay ahead of the competition. Also, decision making is decentralized, meaning that instead of having one central authority making all decisions, power is distributed across the team members, allowing faster decisions. And on the other side, IBM follows a hierarchical structure. This structure provides a strong leadership and ensures that employees know exactly who to report to and who makes key decisions. Okay, so now we're going to talk about status and power dynamics. Open collaboration at Google versus visible hierarchy at IBM. So Google adopts a flat organizational structure, which means there are fewer levels of management and more open communication between team members. And then in the other side, IBM follows a traditional hierarchical structure where there are clear levels of authority and visible status within the company. Decision making flows from the top, meaning that leaders make the major decisions and the rest follows them. Continue with status and power dynamics. Google is known for its open approach, where collaboration happens freely across all levels of the company. They usually focus on teamwork and creative input, allowing everyone to contribute regardless of their position within the company. And IBM operates with a strong sense of hierarchy. This structure ensures that decision-making process is controlled by higher ranking individuals. Now we're going to talk about communication styles. Um, Google has a transparent dialogue, and IBM has more formal channels. And we're going to talk first about IBM. IBM follows formal channels where the communication follow a structured path and ensures accuracy and compliance. But on the other side, Google operates with transparent dialogue. Since the information flows freely, employees are encouraged to share their ideas openly. Google prefers transparency dialogue um, that is direct and open. Uh, the information flows freely within the company, as I said before. And on the other side, IBM uses formal channels. The communication needs to follow protocols, and that information is always managed very carefully.
Hi Professor, good evening. My name is Akash. In this particular video, I'm going to explain about innovation and risk taking, Google versus IBM. So coming to the Google, Google embraces experimentation, like innovation drives culture and risk taking is often encouraged. So coming to the IBM, IBM favors measured steps, like it carefully manages risk and innovation is strategic and planned. So coming to the next slide, so employee development and training focus on growth at Google versus structured training at IBM. So coming to the Google, like Google focuses on growth. Employees get many development opportunities, learning is personalized. So coming to the IBM, IBM provides structured training. It has formal development paths, like training is often role specific. So coming to next slide, so impact on performance and cultural role in the innovation and efficiency. So coming to the Google, so innovation and thrives in open culture. So coming to the IBM, efficiency comes from the structure. So conclusion, so key structural differences and strategic implications, like Google and IBM represents cultural extremes. Each approach has advantages. The right culture aligns with the goals, culture shapes strategy and alignment drives results, and understanding fosters success. Thank you.